close that.
You can come over, do you want to come around this side? About Max, come on. You don't need. Oh my God, come on, Max.
Take it.
Let's go.
Eva, bark. Good girl. Eva, bark. Good girl.
What a good girl. Can you go down? Down. Good girl. Down. Oh, you're so close. Down. Down.
Are you going to want apple? Well, say apple. Say it. Apple?
Like used me when I was putting on the one hole.
What's up?
I don't actually have any good ones.
Y'all, look at how this cat acts when I scratch his butt. This is never seen before. Look.
Place. Okay. Hand over back in. So you're qualified. Professional. Well, I am a sort of professional, so do you have a certificate? I do, actually, but I don't have to prove anything to you.
Go bang! Good boys! Morning, Autumn! Get this chicken off of me!
But she wants to cuddle.
It's a chicken!
It wants to cuddle with you.
Down!
Gray. No, this doesn't stop you from getting down. Come on, Gray. Come on, get down. Get off, get down. Dad's home. Dad's home. Just kidding.
Okay.
Get it! Get it! Yeah, get it! Get it! 2 hands! 2 hands!
That's your brother, Mike. Stop eating that stain on the carpet. I don't know what that is. Might be chocolate. You diabetic. All right, be smooth, y'all. Be smooth. Mike! You being too rough. I keep telling you about doing that. All right, y'all can play fight. Just don't pull him by his...
Mama's home. Libby!
Hi. Yeah, yummy, huh? You can't have them all, though. It's not fair.
Speak. Louder. Speak. That's not speak. Speak. Oh my god. Gotta speak. No. Speak. Oof. No. Louder. There.
Because you want to keep on talking back and try to bite me. So that's all. Yeah. Talk to mommy about it. Yeah, go talk to mama about it. Don't talk to me.
Minty, mami, vente, mira motita que besa, mira motita que cosa linda. Minty, mami. Minty, coge.
Hold on, just hold it there for a second.
Go away! Rascal, come here. Open it. You just call him Bandit?
Yeah, she does. She keeps calling him Bandit.
Ah!